Hello everyone, my name is Shirokumar Singh. I am a lecturer in Department of Civil Engineering. So I am also coordinator of IIC from our departmental side. So I am going to give you some information about the IIC. Okay, so all of you are right now busy with your schedule or MAR documents or this kind of thing. Look, this is a very important thing because here you will get e-certification from the MHRD's. Look, here is the website, MHRD's Innovation Cell. Okay, so our institution, our college is registered under IIC. Okay, so all of you can have the opportunity to get the e-certification from MHRD's Innovation Council. Okay, so what you have to do, first see what they do, the IICs, what they are doing. Look, they are doing to conduct various innovation and entrepreneurship related activities prescribed by the central MIC and bounds version. And these are the points you can see the website. I will show you, I will send you the link with this. And look, right now is a pandemic situation, you know, the kind of situation of jobs and this kind of thing we can hear from the news. So right now many ideas can come from your end, right? So how to implement that, and means how to make that in reality, right? So I just request you to kindly go through this kind of lectures. So where is the lectures? Look, IIC is conducting online sessions. These are the option. Here you can see the IIC online session. You just go here and these are the sessions. Look, the online sessions now have been rescheduled from 28 and it will broadcast it through MIC YouTube page. So what you have to do, you just go to the YouTube page of MIC, you just subscribe that, or you can subscribe on it is not mandatory. If you subscribe you will get the updates, simple thing. Now what you have to do, look, not have to do, you can do actually. There are some sessions, these are the sessions. Look, these are the past sessions. Total there are 16 numbers of sessions. If you participate or at least 10 numbers of sessions out of 16. Look, in this page these are past sessions, these are already completed. There are 8 numbers of session already done. Upcoming sessions are 8 sessions are remaining, right? So these 8 sessions you can participate in live sessions. These 8 sessions you can join in live, but this past session they are already uploaded in the YouTube. So what you can do, you just see these videos in the YouTube, and but look, to get the certification you have to fill a e-assessment form. Okay, where you can see e-assessment form, simply go to the YouTube video and there is a description portion. There you can see the e-assessment form. Look, the e-assessment form will be generated after 4 hours of the live sessions. Okay, so just see, look, this is the past session. Yesterday it has been completed in 3 to 4 p.m. right? So you just click here. I am clicking a new tab. You just click here in new tab, and here when you click there, look, here is a portion that is join e-session through YouTube. So you just click here to see the video, and I am clicking new tab. Look, this is the video. You just see the all over video, and below the video there is a show more option. Here you can see what are the details. Look, the e-certificate, the participation will get the e-certification will be issued on the completion of e-assessment given at the link. So when you click the link, it will directly redirect to this page. Okay, now here is a e-assessment and feedback form. You just click this and you will get a Google form. You just simply fill this and submit that, and it will be evaluated. Now if you get minimum 65% correct answers, you will get the certification, but the condition is you have to attend 10 numbers of sessions, or you have to attend or you have to submit 10 numbers of e-assessment form. Look, this is the e-assessment form. The last date is 13th May, right? So the yesterday session, the last date of submission of e-assessment form is 13th May. So what you can do, you just see the past sessions which are completed. Look, I have analyzed all the deadlines of the e-assessment form. Look, the first 4 numbers of sessions, 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 numbers of sessions, the e-assessment form of these 4 sessions, the deadline is over. Now what you can do, these 4, this 1, 2, 3, 4, this 4 e-assessment form is open till now. The e-assessment form of this session, that is Hangout with Successful Startup Founder, the last date is tonight at 12. Okay, so what you can do, you just fill this as earliest as possible, and similarly you can fill these 3 also, and you can join the live sessions in that is 8-5, that means tomorrow. This is tomorrow 3 to 3:30. This is only half an hour session. So what you have to do, simply you join the sessions, and please make sure you take a screenshot. Okay, when you attending a session, look, this is a live session and these are the past sessions. So what you can do, look, this is the past session, this 4th May, there is a session 8. This is actually yesterday's session. So suppose I am watching this video, you just take a screenshot. Okay, you just take a screenshot. I will let you know what you have to do with the screenshot. Now this is the process, so that you can get the e-certification from the MHRD's Innovation Cell. If there is any doubt, you can ask me, and I hope all you know the importance of this certification. This is actually from MHRD's Innovation Council. It will increase your credential. Okay, this is not for only students, this is for open to the faculty members also. Even I am doing also this course. Okay, so faculties, I also request all the students, as this is free of cost. So as nowadays you are actually what you are doing, you are doing your project work, right? So also your education part, so this will give you some extra practical knowledge or that kind of thing. I hope all of you just see one, my request is you just see any one video, and if you get bored, then no need to see other one. So this is my request, all of you, that see at least 1 or 2 video, and obviously this is my experience, you will get the interest, and you will see the at least 10 sessions and will get the e-certification. Okay, and this e-certification will comes from directly from MHRD's Innovation Cell, not from our college side. Okay, so it is very clear and it is very transparent. All of you are welcome to join this online session. Look, I am expressing you all these things. Actually, basically I am the coordinator, so this is my part. I have to tell you this thing. Now this is up to you. I hope all of you see these things and just search it, and yeah, you will get the interest. Now what is after doing all these things, this is your part, you have done all these things, but you will get your certification after our college sent you the details who have attended this course. Okay, so what you have to do, when you suppose I am telling, suppose this session, okay, this is yesterday's session, suppose this session is open, this session 8, and this is the link of e-assessment form. You just click here, and this is the e-assessment and feedback. Now when you fill this, now you submit this, that means your this form is directly submitted to the AICTE. Look here, the form was created under inside of AICTE. That means no need to send this screenshot of this form in my database, means our departmental database. What you have to do, I have made a link for you. Look, this is the student link, this is the faculty link. So you just go to the student link, this is the link. Yeah, look here, I already mentioned, this is copy paste, I have not write that, this is written in the IIC in description page of YouTube videos. Look, please note that for e-certification we set a criteria, it will be issued on those who will score a minimum 60% correct answer for the section 2. What is section 2? Section 2 is the questions in the Google form, okay, in each e-assessment form, and will attend minimum 10 numbers of sessions out of 16, what I have said earlier. Okay, so simply you just write your name, you choose your stream, BTech or diploma, mentor name, who is your mentor, current semester, 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th, email ID, your email ID, this email ID should be should the same email ID what you provide in the e-assessment form. Okay, because this data will be sent to the MHRD Innovation Council by our college. Now select name and session. Look, these are the sessions. I have uploaded all 13 sessions. Okay, why I have not uploaded the total number of 16? Because first 3 sessions is the deadline of the e-assessment form is over, so that's why I have uploaded only these remaining portions. Okay, so you just select these are the session title, select this, and you need to upload here the screenshot. Okay, which screenshot I have told you earlier na, that you have to take the screenshot when you attend a video session, right? So you just take the screenshot and add file, upload, and here you declare that I agree and I have attended and submitted e-assessment of the above selected session. You just click here and submit. So this is the whole total process. So what is your part? You just have to see the YouTube videos and submit the e-assessment form. Now after submission and at the time of watching the videos, you have to take a screenshot, and you just fill the form. This is for our college database, our departmental database. This database will be sent to the MHRD Innovation Council, and you are directly sending the e-assessment form to the AICTE. Okay, so this is the total thing. I hope you will get benefit from this total thing, and if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.